Welcome to Unit 12. This unit is all about experiences you've had in your life. Let me tell you about some of my most exciting experiences. I've swum with dolphins in Mexico. I've ridden a camel in the Canary Islands, and I've done a bungee jump in New Zealand. What amazing things have you done or experienced in your life?
I've been to Krakow in Poland.
I've been to Berlin with my friend.
I've done bungee jumping with my best friend.
The grammar focus in this unit is on the present perfect. I've swum with dolphins. I've done a bungee jump. You will learn how to use the present perfect with words like ever, never, yet, already, and just to talk about things you have or haven't done. Reading and speaking is all about exploring. You'll learn about famous explorers in the past, like Christopher Columbus and Leif Erikson, but also about 21st century explorers. Have you ever heard of wingsuit flyers? What about cold water athletes? Read the article and find out what they do. How many different words do you know in English that go with take and get? In vocabulary and speaking, we'll look at some expressions with these two verbs. Everyday English looks at words and phrases we use when we are travelling. Where do you need a boarding pass? Where can you buy a season ticket? You'll also practice conversations at the airport, bus station, and railway station that will help you in real-life situations. Are you ready for a challenge? Go online and complete the challenge task. Use the discussion board to share ideas with each other. Have fun. See you soon.